Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from CoinSwitch to Binance. First, log in to your CoinSwitch account. Go to your portfolio and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Next, open your Binance wallet and tap Receive. Copy the wallet address for the crypto you're sending. Go back to CoinSwitch and choose Withdraw or Transfer. Paste the Binance wallet address into the withdrawal field. Enter the amount you want to send and make sure you have enough to cover any transaction fees. Important, make sure the network you select on CoinSwitch matches the network of your Binance wallet. This avoids any lost funds. Once everything is correct, confirm the transaction. Your crypto will be transferred to Binance after the network processes it. And that's it. That's how to transfer crypto from CoinSwitch to Binance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.